Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing white rice for the family, so I decided to record. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a video. So I'm just going to get right into it. I'm going to try and tell you exactly what I need. I'm going to put 3 cups of water in this pot to boil, and I'm going to put it on high heat until it boils. And I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of some vegetable oil. I'm going to let the water boil, and then when the water is boiling, I'll come back and I'll show you how I make it. Alright, so I have a drainer, and what I use is medium grain rice. So I'm going to measure it. 1, 2, and 3. So that's 3 cups of rice. So now I'm going to drain this. I'm going to let the water go through the hose. It's going to come out nice and clean. Get rid of all that extra starch that it has. And I'll be back. Alright guys, so the water's boiling. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt in there. Which I could have added it with the oil, but I just didn't. But yeah, I'm going to put, let's see. I would say about 3 teaspoons of salt. It's to taste, so if you need more, you can add more as you're cooking it. But I make beans with it, so the beans has flavor also. It adds flavor to it, so for me that's enough salt. So now, like I said, it's boiling. Hold on. The water's boiling. Now I'm gonna add, hold on, sorry. Trying to do this with one hand is not easy. So in there I have, like I said, the water, the oil, and the salt, and I'm just gonna add the medium grain rice that I washed. You can see it's nice and clean. Okay. Let me mix it and see if I need to do anything to it. Hold on, let me get a spoon. That's perfect. Okay. So now I lowered the flame to a medium. Just this one. And then once the water dries out, I'm going to lower that to a number, probably a 2. Cover it up and let it cook for the remainder of the time. So I'll be back when this rice dries out a little bit. Alright guys, so the rice is dried out. So now I'm gonna mix it around, and I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna lower the flame to a number 2, to a medium low basically, and let it cook for the remainder, maybe 15-20 minutes. It should be done, and I'll be back with that. Alright guys, my rice is completely done. This is what it looks like. Nice white rice. So today I made white rice with beans and some fried chicken breast strips. So when I finish with the chicken, I'm going to plate it, and I'm going to show you what it all looks like together. Alright guys, so dinner is served. White rice with some beans and some fried chicken breast.